Wiring in a car lift. It is 220V, has a yellow/green wire, brown and a blue wire. What wire goes where when wiring in? Also in fuse box.
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. Thanks for the information on the wires. It appears the lift was designed around the European wiring. They operate on 230 volts, but a different design. The brown wire is the hot and the blue is the neutral in Europe. That will equate to this in the US. The brown will connect to one phase of power, the blue will connect to the second phase of power, the yellow/green is the ground. Using a double pole breaker in the panel, you run 3 wires from the breaker panel, 2 wires connect to a double pole breaker and to the brown and blue, then the third wire is the ground. See the picture below in the link. Let me know any questions. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.